Most traders give up before the real learning starts. They try a strategy, lose money, blame the market and quit, without ever realizing how close they were to success. Yeah? If you can't watch this video all the way through, you might as well quit now. But if you're serious about becoming a successful trader, stay with me. Let's see if you've got what it takes. Let's get one thing straight, okay? Trading is hard. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme, and it's definitely not for everyone. Most people fail because they are not willing to do what it takes. The lack of patience, the lack of discipline and mindset to push through the hard times. Here's the truth, okay? If you're watching this and already thinking about clicking away, you're proving my point. Because the difference between successful traders and everyone else is simple. Successful traders face their challenges head on. Unsuccessful traders run from them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why 90% of traders fail and how you can avoid becoming one of them. But only if you're willing to watch until the end. Let's talk about the 3 biggest reasons why most traders never make it. First, they chase strategies instead of mastering themselves. Every beginner thinks success comes down to finding the perfect strategy. They spend hours testing indicators, systems, or signals, hoping to find a shortcut. But here's the truth, okay? The best strategy in the world is useless if your mindset is broken. You'll panic and close trades too early. You'll hesitate and miss opportunities. You'll overtrade out of greed or boredom. Your mindset is the foundation of your trading success. Write it down. Write it down. Second, they don't respect risk. Think about it. How many times have you entered a trade without thinking about how much you're risking? Most traders blow their accounts because they treat trading like a game, not like a business. And successful traders, they treat risk like oxygen. They plan every trade with precision and know exactly how much they can afford to lose. Third, they quit when it gets hard. Trading isn't a straight path, okay? It's full of losses, it's full of setbacks and tough lessons. Most people give up as soon as they hit a rough patch. But the ones who succeed understand that failure isn't the end, it's a stepping stone. Right now, ask yourself this: are you one of those people? Do you chase strategies, ignore risk, or quit when it gets tough? If any of this sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. But if you want to change, you're going to have to stick around for what I'm about to tell you next. If you're still watching, congratulations, you've already taken the first step toward becoming a successful trader. You are willing to listen. Here's what separates winners from losers in trading. The first is they think long-term. Successful traders don't focus on the outcome of a single trade. They think in terms of probabilities and long-term results. Quick example, if your strategy wins 60% of the time, a loss isn't a failure, it's part of the process. Second, they stay disciplined. Discipline isn't sexy, but it's what it keeps you in the game. It's about sticking to your plan no matter how tempting it is to deviate. Third, they focus on small, consistent improvements. Winning traders don't aim for perfection. They aim for progress every day. They focus on getting just 1% better. That might mean journaling their trades, reviewing their mistakes, or refining their strategy. That's what I did in the beginning. Every day, after every trade I took, I just journaling. I just checked what can I do better with my next trade. So the trade you did is done. But what about the next one? What about the next one? What about the next one? These trades are important, not what happened. So you only can learn from what happened. Still here? Good. That means you're serious. Now let's go into how you can start building this mindset today. Step 1, journaling every trade. Write down why you entered, what happened, and what you learned. This simple habit will teach you more about yourself than any trading book ever could. Step 2, set strict risk rules. Before every trade, ask yourself, how much am I willing to lose? Is this trade worth the risk? Stick to the 1 to 2% risk rule and you'll protect your account from major losses. So important. Step 3. Commit to learning, not earning. For the next 6 months, stop focusing on how much money you're making. Instead, focus on mastering the process. If you do that, the profits will come naturally. Let me tell you something personal. When I started trading, I lost more money than I care to admit. I was frustrated, I was broke, and ready to give up. But one day I realized something. The market wasn't the problem. I was chasing quick wins, ignoring my rules, and letting emotions control me. So I decided to do things differently. I journaled every trade. I stopped risking more than I could afford to lose, And most importantly, I focused on learning instead of earning. It wasn't easy, but slowly I started to see progress. And now trading isn't just my career, it's my freedom. And if I can do it, you can too. So here's my challenge to you. Watch this video again if you need to. Then write down one mindset change you're going to make today. Commit to for the next 6 months. Because if you can master your mindset, the results will follow. If you're serious about becoming a successful trader, leave a comment below and tell me what's the one thing holding you back right now. Let's work through it together. And if this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. In my next video, I'm going to share the daily routine that successful traders use to stay consistent, focused, and profitable. Make sure you're subscribed so don't miss it.